Hey guys, what's up? I just got this new ultra thin bathroom rug and I just thought I would open it up and show it to you while I take my first look at it. So, all right. Whoa, that feels, this side, which is the bottom side, it feels really cool. It's kind of got that rubber feeling, but it's also sort of soft. I don't know how to describe it. But it feels like it's going to stick really well. Let's take a look at that. You can kind of hear that. And then I'm happy with how thin it is. I have been looking for a thin rug because the doors on both sides of the shower room, I have like a Jack and Jill bathroom with the shower in the middle, and they catch on every rug, and this is going to be thin enough, but it still feels really nice. Like, it's soft to the touch and seems really well made. I really like the rubber side, so it's not going to move around on the floor. Help it to stay in place. Yeah, I'm really impressed with this. Let's take a close look at that weave and then the stitching around the edges. That's really nice. Yeah, this looks really well made and like it's gonna do the job perfectly. I went with gray. I have a sort of a medium colored wood look floor, and I like to mix my grays and browns. So my floor is kind of between like tan and brown. It kind of fluctuates in color, but I think the gray will look really nice on top of that. So I think there are some other colors available, but I think this one is going to be a nice neutral in that space. I love neutrals. Anyway, I hope this was helpful for you, and I hope you have a great day.